Hi, it's Mr. Baumgarten here with another Pygame video. And I thought today we'll just quickly get our ladders up and running. So at the moment, I can kind of jump, but I can't climb up my ladder. So let's quickly fix that up, shall we? There's only a handful of bits of code we need to do for this. So what I'm wanting to change is you want to find the part where you're getting your properties of whatever tile it is that your player is standing on. So this is the tile that's at our feet, and I want to change it so that if I hit the W key and I'm standing on a ladder, then I just move up. So at the moment, because the W key, all it does is if I'm on ground, it'll initiate a jump. But if I am on a ladder, I want to just move up a few pixels. So I'm just going to come in here and say if I'm standing on something that is climbable, right? So you will recall in our tiles that we created this custom property called climbable, and we set it to 1 for all of the ladder tiles that we might insert into our game. So if climbable is equal to 1, so if that's turned on, then I just want to move up a few pixels. So let's just say 10 pixels per frame. And then likewise, when I'm kind of standing on a ladder, I want to be able to move down it as well instead of having to jump off of it. And so I can use the S key, get rid of this pass, do nothing that we've had sitting here for a while, and say if I'm pressing S when I'm on something that's climbable, I want to climb down, and so I'm just going to change my Y value, increase that by 10. Alright, there's only one other little section of code that we then need to change, and that is just down here. Right, because at the moment, if we are initiating a jump, that's all fine. We keep jumping up. Oh yeah, and if we hit our head, that's fine. But then here we've got, if we're not standing on the ground, we are going to fall. And that at the moment, this will happen when we're on ladders as well. And so we'd move up 10 pixels and then down 10 pixels because we start falling. And so that's not what we want. We don't want to be falling when we are on a ladder. So I'm going to change this so that if we're not standing on the ground and we're not standing on a ladder, so we're not standing on something that's climbable. So if the ground is off and ladders are off, then that's when we fall. And so now if I run this code, I should be able to, yeah, that's the S key, that's the W key, and I should be able to catch my ladder mid jump. Yeah, and likewise here, right? Because if I can stay on it, because now it's we can catch it when we fall, because it no longer treats us as falling when we're on a ladder. There we go. All right, short little video for ladders. This is Mr. Baumgarten signing out.